In history, there are many great thinkers and artists, but very few people have been as intelligent, as creative, and as mysterious as Leonardo da Vinci, a man whose ideas were far ahead of his time, and whose work still fascinates the world today. Leonardo da Vinci was born in Italy in the 15th century, during a period known as the Renaissance, when art, science, and knowledge began to grow again across Europe. But Leonardo was not just an artist. He was also a scientist, an inventor, an engineer, and a thinker who seemed to understand the world in a very unusual and advanced way. One of the reasons people see him as mysterious is because of his notebooks. Leonardo wrote thousands of pages filled with drawings, ideas, and observations about nature, machines, and the human body. Many of these notes were written in mirror writing, meaning the text was written backward and could only be read clearly using a mirror. Some people believe he did this to protect his ideas, while others think it was simply more comfortable for him as a left-handed writer. His notebooks include designs for machines that did not exist at the time, such as flying machines, early helicopter-like devices, and even concepts similar to modern tanks and submarines. These ideas show how deeply he understood movement, physics, and engineering, even though the technology of his time was not advanced enough to build them. Leonardo was also famous for his paintings, especially the Mona Lisa, one of the most well-known artworks in the world. People are still fascinated by the mysterious expression on her face, which seems to change depending on how you look at it. This effect comes from Leonardo's technique called sfumato, where soft transitions between light and shadow create a lifelike appearance. Another famous work is The Last Supper, which shows a dramatic moment from a religious story. The painting is known for its composition, emotion, and detail, and it has been studied for centuries. Some people believe that hidden symbols or secret messages exist within the painting, although there is no strong evidence to confirm these ideas. What makes Leonardo truly unique is the way he combined art and science. He carefully studied the human body through dissections, observed nature, and analyzed how things move and function. His drawings of muscles, bones, and organs were far more detailed than most knowledge available at that time. Even today, many of his notes are still being studied, because some of his ideas were only fully understood hundreds of years later. This has led some people to wonder how one person could think so far ahead of his time. Because of this, there have been unusual theories about Leonardo. Some people have suggested that his knowledge was so advanced that it seemed almost impossible for his time, leading to ideas that he might have had access to unknown sources of information. A few modern writers and media stories have even suggested imaginative ideas, such as Leonardo being influenced by extraterrestrial knowledge. However, historians and researchers do not support these claims, and there is no scientific evidence that Leonardo da Vinci was an alien or had contact with aliens. Most experts explain his genius in a more realistic way. Leonardo was extremely curious, observant, and dedicated to learning. He spent years studying nature, experimenting, and recording everything he saw. His ability to connect art, science, and imagination allowed him to create ideas that seemed far ahead of his time. Leonardo da Vinci was not just a man of his time. He was a mind far beyond it, driven by curiosity and a desire to understand the world in every possible way. His work continues to inspire scientists, artists, and thinkers around the world, reminding us that human creativity and intelligence can sometimes feel almost limitless. Leonardo da Vinci remains one of the greatest mysteries in human history, a man whose ideas, creativity, and curiosity were so powerful that even today, we are still trying to fully understand the depth of his genius.